Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to combine line and bar chart in Excel. So here we have a data of certain concentration measurement in a control device and a test device. So these are the signal intensities of certain concentration measurements, and we want to combine this into a single chart. So let's see how to do that. For plotting this, first let's select the control device measurement, go to insert and plot as bar chart. So now we have the control measurement in bar chart format. Now if you want to add the test measurements, select the data, add series, and the series name will be test measurement, and the series values will be the test measurement values. Click OK. So now we have both in bar chart. So now we want to change the test measurement into a line format. So how do we do that? Select the bar chart of the test measurement, go to change series chart type. So now we can see it shows as a combined plot. We have control measurement and the test measurement. In the clustered column, we can select the line with markers. But here one problem is that both are in the same axis. Now we want to show this as a separate axis. For that we can give secondary axis. Now, so you can see here the graph plotted in a two separate axes in the secondary axis. So now we have the y values of the test measurement in a separate axis, and here the y values of the control measurement. Click OK. So now we have both the plot in both the line and the bar chart in a single file. So we can even change the axis title. Axis title we can give it as signal intensities. And the X values as concentration. You can paste the same thing here also. You can reduce the font size to match. So this is how we can plot both the values in the same chart. And for the concentration, you can select data and go to axis label, give the concentration values. So now we have the x-axis has the concentration and the y-axis has the signal intensities of both the measurements. Hope you're clear with this topic. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it to friends. Thank you.